Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another super simple Glam DIY for us. Today we're going to be making a pair of Glam mirrored wall sconces. So what you're going to need, you need some of this floral diamond wrap. And this is from Efavormart. You'll also need some of these little Arrowhead pendants. These are crystal pendants, also from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need also will be some of these little square buckles. These are Rhinestone Buckles, and I picked these up at Totally Dazzled. I have 8 of these. You're also going to need some of this regular bling wrap. I picked this up at Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor and wedding decor. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you'll need 2 of these square mirrors. You're going to need 2 of these silver place card holders. You're going to need 2 of these champagne flutes. You're also going to need some foam board. This comes in a large piece from Dollar Tree. Now from Walmart, I have some peel and stick gemstones, the diamond gemstones. You can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I will be assembling this project with hot glue. But if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need to complete these beautiful wall sconces, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, now didn't these wall sconces turn out absolutely beautifully? And they're so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start decorating with them. Okay, well there you have it, guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.